Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Nur Hakim bin Mat Fauzi. My matrix number is AA200290. Okay, the first question is, due to COVID-19, you and your friend want to start an online clothing business. Both of you have 4 new members, each as downline or as the second generation. Assume that each generation is able to get 4 new members. Okay, we go to the filler table. Okay, the facts is, me and my friend want to start an online clothing business. The ideas, not enough money to invest. The learning issues is how to get the money. And the last one, resources or action plan. Okay, parents will support and give money to start business.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Mukri bin Maknawi, matric number AA200633. Facts. Both of us have 4 new members as downline or as second generation. Idea. The quantity of members will expand as the next generation goes on. Learning issues. How can the quantity be calculated as for each generation? Resources needed. Look up for formulas on the internet and find a suitable solving method in the learning module. Next. Each generation is able to get 4 new members. Idea. Each downline need to find at least 4 new members. Learning issues. Is it able for each downline to find at least 4 new members? Resources needed. Promote in social media.
My name is Hussein bin Mazaid. So the problem statement is, your roommate wants to buy a new iPhone which costs 999 ringgit. The first month he saves 150 ringgit. Each month thereafter you gave him 50 ringgit. What is your conclusion? So the first fact, my roommate wants to buy a new iPhone that costs 999 ringgit. The idea is he needs to find extra money to buy it. Learning outcome, how can he still buy the iPhone? The action plan is he needs to take a part-time job, do research on the internet on ways to save money efficiently.
My name is Wan Atira binti Wan Jamaluddin. So the second fact is, he saves 150 ringgit in the first month. And the ideas are, he saves more in the first month as a startup to reduce the total amount of time he has to save money. The learning outcome is, what is the difference between each month? And the action plan, look up in books and on the internet on formulas to calculate and then apply the calculation using ratio. The last fact is, each month after the first, he saves 50 ringgit. The idea is, he saves money gradually to complete the total payment of 999 ringgit. The learning outcome is, how long does it take for him to reach 999 ringgit? And the action plan is, calculate by dividing the total cost with the amount of saving per month using geometric series. And second, search topic geometric series from books.
Okay, for A, the question is, draw a diagram representing the members from the first generation to the fourth generation. Okay, first we must draw 2 circles representing first generation, which is me and my friend. For the second layer, we must draw 8 circles representing the second generation. Next, the next layer, we must draw 32 circles representing the third generation. And the last layer, we must draw 128 circles representing the fourth generation.
My name is Wan Muhammad Akif Aiman bin Ma'ruf. What is the difference between generation? Answer for question B is formula Tn equal AR to power of n minus 1, A equal 2, R equal 4, generation 1 equal 2, generation 2 equal 8, generation 3 equal 32, generation 4 equal 128. Generation 2 minus generation 1 equal 4. Generation 3 minus generation 2 equal 24. Generation 4 minus generation 3 equal 96. what is the ratio of the second generation with the first generation, the third generation with the second generation? Answer for B2, generation 2 ratio generation 1, 8 ratio 2 equal 4 ratio 1. To generation 3 ratio generation 2, 32 ratio 8 equal 4 ratio 1. This ratio is 4 ratio 1. Based on B1 and B2, what is your conclusion? Answer for question B3, D is a geometry series and each downline must find 4 more members for the next generation.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Salshahda Rosli. My numerator is 200 AA 20681. So I want to explain the question 2. The question is, your brother who is secondary school wants to buy a new iPhone which is cost RM 999 ringgit. The first month he saved RM 150. Each month after you give him RM 50 ringgit. So the question is, this is the total amount money your brother saved for the first 4 months. We know that his first month his saving is RM 150 ringgit. The second month he got 50 ringgit, so his saving is 200. The third month is RM 250, fourth month is RM 300, which is every month his saving was increased 50 ringgit. The question B is based on A, what is the difference between each month? So we can calculate with formula Tn equal A plus bracket n minus 1 close the brackets multiply D. A is 150, D is 50 ringgit. So the second month and first month, between the second month and first month, so solution is we use the formula Tn equal A plus n minus 1 multiply D. Hence we replace to 2, so 150 plus brackets 2 minus 1 multiply 50 is the answer is 200. 200 is his saving for second month. The second month minus first month, 200 minus 150, the answer is 50 ringgit. Between third month and second month, we also calculate with this formula. Hence we replace to 3, 150 plus 3 minus 1 multiply 50. The answer he's saving for third month is 250. 250 minus 200, which is his difference is 50 ringgit. Between fourth month and third month, T4 equal 150 plus 4 minus 1 multiply 50. The answer is 300 for his saving fourth month minus third month, 300 minus 250, so his saving is 50 ringgit. So between fourth month and third month is 50 ringgit. What is the ratio of the second month with the first month, the third month with the second month? The ratio of the second month with the first month is second month his saving is 200. For the first month his saving is 150 ringgit. So the ratio is 4 ratio 3, which is ratio third month, second month. Third month his saving is 250. Second month is his saving is 200. So the ratio is 5 ratio 4. Based on 1 and 2, what is your conclusions? The conclusion is this problem we will use the arithmetic series to solve with formula Tn equal A plus brackets n minus 1 plus the bracket multiply D. The T1 or A is Rm 150. The common difference D is Rm 50 ringgit. So we know that if you calculate, it will take him more than 18 months to get enough money to buy the new iPhone. And we also know that the value ratio between the third month with the second month is same value the second month with the first month. Thank you very much. Is 50 ringgits. So between fourth month and third month is 50 ringgits. What is the ratio of the second month with the first month, the third month with the second month? The ratio of the second month with the first month is second month his saving is 200. For the first month his saving is 150 ringgits. So the ratio is 4:3, which is ratio third month, second month. Third month his saving is 250. Second month is his saving is 200. So the ratio is 5:4. Based on 1 and 2, what is your conclusions? The conclusion is this problem we will use the arithmetic series to solve with formula Tn equal A plus brackets n minus 1 plus the bracket multiply D. The T1s or A is Rm 150. The common difference D is Rm 50 ringgits. So we know that if you calculate, it will take him more than 18 months to get enough money to buy the new iPhone. And we also know that the value ratio between the third month with the second month is same value the second month with the first month. Thank you very much.